What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to figure out which ordered pairs are solutions to an equation. Okay, so got a couple examples right here, but one thing I want to point out before jumping into the example is when you write an ordered pair, these are all ordered pairs, right? These are three different ordered pairs. So when you write an ordered pair, it's always in the form, they're always between two parentheses, right? And it's in the form x, comma, y, okay? The first number that's listed is always the x number or the x coordinate, and the second number that's listed is always the y number or the y coordinate, okay? So with that in mind, let's jump into this first example. So this one says, determine which ordered pairs are solutions to the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, so we're going to check each of these three ordered pairs and see which one makes this equation true. Okay, so again, the equation, I'll just write it right here, is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, and now the way you solve these is, remember, the ordered pair is always in the form x, so this first number is always your x, and this second number is always your y. Okay, so you're going to plug in a 3 for your x term, and you're going to plug in a 0 for your y term in this example. Okay, so rewriting this is going to be 2 times 3 plus 3 times the y coordinate, which in this case is 0, right? And then all you have to do is set that equal to 6, right? It's equal to 6. Okay, so now just simplifying this, 2 times 3, that's equal to 6, right? And then we're going to add that to 3 times 0, which is just 0. And then again, we're setting that equal to 6, right? And then 6 plus 0, that's just 6. And then we're setting that again equal to 6. So we got 6 is equal to 6, which is a true statement. So since we got a balanced equation right here, that means that this ordered pair right here, 3, 0, is a solution to the equation, to this equation right here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, so again, this is a solution, right? So let's circle it. And then we just have to check these other two, see if they're also solutions. Okay, so the next ordered pair that we're going to check is 2, 0. Okay, so again, this is your x number or x coordinate, and this is your y number or y coordinate, right? And we're going to plug it into this equation right here, 2x plus 3y equals 6. So we're going to have 2 times our x coordinate, which is 2 in this case, right? Plus 3 times our y coordinate, which is 0, right? 0. And then we'll set that equal to 6. Okay, and then simplifying this, 2 times 2, that's equal to 4. And then we're going to add that, right, add that to 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is just 0. Okay, and then we're setting it equal to 6, right? Equal to 6. So 4 plus 0, that's just 4, and we're setting that equal to 6. So does 4 equal 6? No, right? So this is an imbalanced equation. So that means, so since this is a false statement, that means that this ordered pair that we just checked, 2, 0, is not a solution to the equation. Okay, so now let's just check this last ordered pair right here. So 6, -2. So again, this is your x number and this is your y number. Okay, so we're going to have 2 times our x number, which in this case is 6. And then we're going to add that to 3 times our y number, which is -2, right? So we're going to place -2 right there. And then again, this is equal to 6. And now simplifying this, 2 times 6, that's equal to 12. And then we're going to add that to 3 times -2, which is -6, right? -6. And then setting that equal to 6. Okay, now simplifying this, 12 plus -6, this is the same thing as just 12 minus 6, okay? And then we're setting that equal to 6. And then 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, and then again setting that equal to 6. So we got 6 is equal to 6. That is a true statement. So that means this ordered pair right here, 6, -2, is a solution to the equation, okay? Because we got a balanced equation at the very end. All right, let's try one more example here where the equation is a little bit different, but it's still the same process, all right? So this one says, determine which ordered pairs are solutions to the equation y is equal to -5x minus 1, okay? So again, the equation is a little bit different, right? I'll rewrite it right here. Y is equal to negative 5x minus 1, but the process is still the exact same. Okay, so let's check this first ordered pair right here. So 0, comma, negative 1. So again, this is your x number, this is your y number. Okay, so we're going to plug in 0 for x right there, and we're going to plug in negative 1 for y right there. Okay, so rewriting this, we're going to have negative 1 is equal to negative 5 times x, which is 0, right? So times 0 minus 1. Okay, now simplifying this again, so we're going to have negative 1 is equal to negative 5 times 0, that's just equal to 0, right? And then we're going to have this minus 1 right there. Okay, so 0 minus 1, that's equal to negative 1, right? And then we're saying negative 1 is equal to this negative 1. Okay, so we got negative 1 is equal to negative 1. That is a true statement. So that means this ordered pair right here, 0, comma, negative 1, is a solution to the equation. All right, now let's just check these last two ordered pairs. So this second ordered pair right here is 1, comma, negative 6. So again, this is your x number, and then this is your y number. Okay, so inserting that into the equation, we're going to have y, so negative 6, right? So negative 6 is equal to negative 5 times our x, which is 1. Okay, so times 1 minus 1, right? Minus 1. Okay, now I'll rewrite it right here. So we're going to have negative 6 is equal to negative 5 times 1, that's equal to negative 5, right? Negative 5. And then we're going to have minus 1 right there. So then minus 1. Okay, so negative 5 minus 1, that's equal to negative 6, right? And then we're setting it equal to negative 6. So it's equal to negative 6. So as you can see, we got a balanced equation, right? Negative 6 is equal to negative 6. So that means this ordered pair right here, 1, comma, negative 6, is also a solution to this equation. All right, and then let's just check this last one right here, negative 2, comma, 7. Okay, so again, this is your x number, and this is your y number. Okay, so our equation again is y is equal to negative 5x minus 1. So our y number is negative 7, right? So let's write that down. So negative 7 is equal to negative 5 times x, negative 5 times, and our x number here is negative 2, right? So we're going to multiply it by negative 2. And then we have a minus 1 right there. Okay, so minus 1. So simplifying this, negative 5 times negative 2, that's positive 10. And then we have this minus 1 right here. And then we're setting that equal to negative 7, right? Okay, so simplifying this one more time, 10 minus 1 right here is equal to positive 9. And then we're setting that equal to negative 7, right? So negative 7 does not equal positive 9, right? So this right here, this ordered pair, negative 2, comma, negative 7, is not a solution to the equation. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, there's a couple playlists attached that I think you'll find helpful, so definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.